Now, if you're a business owner and you're spending 50K or 100K per month on Facebook ads and you're getting lots and lots of inquiries, but only a very few of those leads are becoming clients, this video is for you. Now, here is a shocking stat. Most businesses only manage to convert only 2% of their leads into actual clients, meaning that out of every 100 leads that a business gets, they only manage to convert 2 of them into actual clients. And today, my question is, what happens to the other 98% of your leads? Because to say the truth, if you're losing 98% of your leads, you are probably losing 98% of your ad spend because you spent money to get these leads in the first place. And for the most part, businesses usually lose leads because a lot of their leads usually say things like, I'll call you later, I'll reach out to you when I'm ready. Now, to actually understand the amount of losses that businesses are making, I'd like to give you an actual example here. So let's say you're a car dealership and you're spending about 60,000 shillings per month on ads. And basically, in that month, you're getting 200 leads. So you're spending 60,000 shillings on Facebook ads and you're getting 200 leads. And out of those 200 leads, you're converting only 2% of them into actual clients. So basically, you're getting 4 of those 200 leads to become clients. And so let's say for each client, you're getting a profit margin of around 250,000 shillings. Now, I'm just giving an example here. You can infer this to any other service or product business that you can think of that generates leads from Facebook ads especially. So in this case, let's say a car importer gets about 250,000 shillings per client who has imported a car. So basically, this person has generated 4 clients and has made 250K per client. That is 1 million shillings in revenue, and they have spent 60,000 shillings on ads. And I know that kind of looks good because the returns are relatively good on that ad spend. But in the grand scheme of things, if you think about it, if you spend 60,000 shillings on ads and get 200 leads and only convert 4 of them into clients, that is actually not an optimum way of running ads. You're making so much losses. Because basically, again, you're losing 98% of the leads that you could ever turn into clients. In that respect, you're losing 98% of your ad spend, in which this case, 98% of 60,000 is 58,000. Now, am I saying that you will close all of your leads? That is not possible. You cannot close even 40% of your leads. But let's say, in this case, if you can increase the number of people that become clients from 2% to 4%, let's use the same business as a case study. So again, you're not adding any ad budget, you're not adding any other money on ad spend, you're still spending 60,000 shillings, so you're getting 200 leads in the same way, but instead of generating 2% of those leads into clients, you're getting 4% of those leads to turn into clients. And so basically, instead of getting 4 clients, you're getting 8 clients. And so let's assume again the profit margin is the same, which is 250,000 per imported car. But this time, 8 people actually imported vehicles. And that means this business is now making 2 million per month. Again, that is the power of just paying attention to the number of leads that you convert into clients. Because a lot of times, there's a lot of revenue that is locked up in leads that have not really been nurtured well. Those leads that tell you, I'll call you later, or I'll reach out to you when I'm ready. All of those people, there's a lot of revenue getting locked up in there. And now you might be asking, what is this that I can do to actually unlock this revenue? And there's only one thing, which is conversion systems. And what conversion systems are, they are basically systems that assist you and your sales team to turn your leads into clients by educating them about your services, by answering their questions, by nurturing and pre-selling them on your offers, and by building relationships with your clients, with your leads on your behalf. And when these things have been done properly, that's when your leads become clients. And one of the biggest mistakes that businesses make is when a lead tells them, I'll reach out to you later. That business tends to leave that lead alone. But that is a huge problem, because if you can unlock this revenue, you can literally double or even triple the number of leads that you turn into clients. So when a lead says, I'll reach out to you later, what usually happens is that this lead is getting into the consideration stage of the buying journey. And what that means is that they are not trying to chase you away, they're trying to formulate their heads, they're trying to formulate a purchase decision. And again, when someone is considering you, it means that they don't have all the answers to their questions. It means that they have not been nurtured enough, they have not been warmed up enough, they have not been pre-sold enough. And so when you don't do these things, when these things have not happened, a lead will never become a client for you. So you need a way to engage that lead and educate them and pre-sell them on your offers and answer their questions in a way that is passive, and it doesn't necessarily entail you engaging with them directly. And so basically, this system is going to do that conversion process on your behalf. And here is how this system looks like. So let's get back to our car dealership over here. So basically, if this person was getting leads from ads, this car dealership owner, what ideally he would do is that he would get all those questions that his leads usually ask them. So for example, when a lead comes from an ad, they usually ask things like, how long does importation take? What documents do I need? How much does it cost? All those questions, you're going to create about 30 of them, list them out, 30 of them. And then what you're going to do here is you're going to start answering them, each and every single one of them, in short videos. So each question gets its own video, and each video is around 1 minute or even 1.5 minutes long. So it's a very short video. And again, I'm just giving the car importer as an example. You can infer this to your business or to any other business that you are interested in. And the thing that you're going to do here is that you're going to put all of these 30 videos on YouTube. Whenever a lead says, I'll call you later, or I'll reach out to you when I'm ready, what you do is that you're going to send those leads right to your YouTube channel. Now again, you can put these videos on your Facebook or on your Instagram. I just prefer YouTube because it's just easier for people to find and binge watch your content on that platform. Now what you're going to quickly find out is that even if a lead told you that they are going to reach out to you later, what happens is that they are going to binge watch your content, because again, they are looking for that information. They are looking to get their questions answered. And when you front load all this information, basically what you're doing, you are helping them formulate those purchasing decisions in their heads. And because of that, they are going to infer their purchase decision on you and your business. And that's the point here. If you can work with your leads during this consideration phase, when they've told you, I'll reach out later, if you can work with them and help them, educate them, answer their questions, and help them build trust with you, they are most likely going to come to you as the business of their choice. And so basically, if this system can increase the number of clients that you get from 2% to 5% to 7%, why would you not do it?